The convertible cabin flexibility meets functionality. What if your home could adapt to your needs, changing shape and purpose as easily as flipping a switch? That's exactly what the convertible cabin offers. This tiny home is a masterclass in versatility, built for those who crave a space that works as hard as they do. Whether you're hosting friends, enjoying a quiet evening, or setting up a workspace for a productive day, this tiny marvel has you covered. It's not just a house, it's a living, breathing extension of your lifestyle. The first thing you'll notice about the convertible cabin is its clever, multifunctional design. The exterior is sleek and unassuming, but step inside, and you'll find a world of possibilities. The centerpiece of this home is its modular furniture, designed to transform at a moment's notice. A dining table folds away into the wall, revealing a hidden desk. The couch converts into a bed with a simple pull, and sliding panels allow you to create private spaces whenever you need them. This isn't just compact living, it's smart living. Natural light streams in through expansive windows, making the space feel open and airy despite its compact size. The kitchen is a marvel of efficiency, featuring fold-out counters and hidden storage that reveal themselves like magic. Cooking becomes a joy when everything you need is within arm's reach, and cleanup is just as seamless. It's the kind of design that makes you wonder why all homes aren't built this way. And yes, there's room for your morning coffee rituals with a cozy breakfast nook that doubles as a workstation when duty calls. At night, the convertible cabin transforms again into a restful retreat. The lofted sleeping area is cozy and inviting, complete with soft lighting and space-saving shelves to store your essentials. But here's the real game changer. This tiny home isn't just built for flexibility, it's built to last. Sustainable materials, energy-efficient features, and off-grid capabilities ensure you're living lightly while enjoying maximum comfort. With the convertible cabin, every square inch works for you, proving that tiny living doesn't mean compromising. It means living smarter and more creatively than ever before.